Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster XL CH1000, $2,500, Waunakee, Wisconsin. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster XL-CH1000 is a classic ironhead that embodies the raw character and unmistakable sound of Harley-Davidson's legendary V-twin heritage. Known for its rugged design, simple mechanics, and strong customization potential, the XL-CH remains a favorite among vintage Harley enthusiasts and collectors alike. According to the seller, this one-owner motorcycle sat for nearly a decade before being brought back to life with a cleaned fuel tank, new fuel line, petcock, air filter, battery, and fresh oil. It now runs and comes with an S&S Super E carburetor, chrome exhaust, leather saddlebags, and a clean title. While it still needs tires and a few finishing touches, this Sportster offers an excellent foundation for a rewarding classic Harley project. Number 2. 1978 Kawasaki SR650, $1,500, Mount Gilead, Ohio. The 1978 Kawasaki SR650 represents the dependable engineering and straightforward performance that made late 1970s Japanese motorcycles so popular. With its smooth power delivery and comfortable riding manners, it continues to appeal to enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage machine that can still be enjoyed on the road today. The seller reports that this motorcycle runs great, rides smoothly, and has recently received rebuilt carburetors, a fresh oil change, and fully serviced front and rear brakes. Although the tires will need replacement soon, it comes with a clean title and is described as a great first classic motorcycle. For buyers seeking an inexpensive vintage Kawasaki, this SR650 presents a solid opportunity. Number 3. 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200, $2,800, Plain City, Ohio. The 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 continues the long-running Sportster tradition of delivering classic American V-twin performance in a compact and highly customizable package. Its strong aftermarket support and unmistakable Harley personality have helped it remain one of the brand's most enduring models. According to the seller, this 5-speed example runs well and features Screamin' Eagle ignition components, a Saddleman seat, Prism sissy bar, chrome accessories, and new Shinko tires. It could benefit from a carburetor adjustment when cold and has a minor oil leak, but once warmed up, it reportedly performs normally. For buyers looking for an affordable Evo Sportster with plenty of character, this Harley is worth a closer look. Number 4. 1986 Honda Rebel, $1,800, Statesville, North Carolina. The 1986 Honda Rebel became one of Honda's most successful lightweight cruisers thanks to its dependable twin-cylinder engine, comfortable ergonomics, and beginner-friendly handling. Even decades later, the Rebel remains a popular choice for riders who appreciate classic styling combined with Honda's reputation for reliability. The seller describes this special edition example as having only 7,225 miles, new tires, a clean North Carolina title, and strong running condition. With its low mileage and simple design, this Rebel offers an affordable way to enjoy a well-preserved vintage Honda that's ready for weekend rides. Number 5. 1971 Triumph TR6R 650 Tiger. The 1971 Triumph TR6R 650 Tiger is a classic British single-carburetor twin admired for its lightweight feel, timeless styling, and engaging riding experience. Models from this era continue to attract collectors thanks to their authentic character and important place in Triumph's rich history. According to the seller, this original paint survivor starts, runs, idles, shifts, and stops properly, while featuring a recently installed clutch and newer carburetor. The sale also includes a variety of valuable spare parts, additional bodywork, a second seat, and correct-sized Dunlop tires. For enthusiasts looking for a well-preserved vintage Triumph with plenty of extras, this TR6R offers outstanding value. Number 6. 1980 Suzuki GS550E, $1,495, Sharpsburg, Georgia. The 1980 Suzuki GS550E marked the final year of one of Suzuki's most successful middleweight motorcycles, blending sporty performance with dependable everyday usability. Powered by a smooth DOHC four-cylinder engine and a six-speed transmission, the GS550E earned a strong reputation for reliability, balanced handling, and enjoyable performance. According to the seller, the 1980 model benefits from larger 32mm Mikuni CV carburetors, factory electronic ignition, an improved head gasket, front and rear disc brakes, electric start, and a digital gear indicator. For buyers searching for an affordable vintage Japanese four-cylinder, this GS550E offers classic styling and impressive value. Number 7. 1973 BMW R60/5, $3,750, Roebuck, South Carolina. The 1973 BMW R60/5 is a beloved member of BMW's classic Airhead family, admired for its smooth boxer twin engine, dependable engineering, and timeless touring character. The short wheelbase /5 models, especially those equipped with the distinctive toaster tank, have become increasingly desirable among vintage BMW enthusiasts. According to the seller, this curry-colored example has been a reliable runner throughout the past decade and features a new seat cover along with aftermarket Dunstall mufflers. With its classic styling and proven reliability, this R60/5 presents an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to own an iconic vintage BMW. Number 8. 1962 Honda Dream 305, $3,000. Salisbury, North Carolina. The 1962 Honda Dream 305 played an important role in introducing Honda motorcycles to riders around the world, becoming known for its smooth twin-cylinder engine, distinctive styling, and dependable performance. Today, the Dream remains a highly recognizable classic that continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts of early Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this example is running, riding, and currently being used on a regular basis. While the stator will eventually need rebuilding or replacement, it comes with a clean title and is otherwise ready to enjoy. For buyers seeking an iconic early Honda with plenty of vintage charm, this Dream 305 is a very appealing choice. Number 9. 1993 Harley-Davidson Bobber, $5,500, St. Louis, Missouri. The 1993 Harley-Davidson Bobber showcases the timeless appeal of American custom motorcycles, combining classic Harley-Davidson heritage with bold, handcrafted styling. Built from a heritage Softail platform, this custom machine reflects the creativity and individuality that have long defined the Bobber seam. The seller reports that it features numerous new parts, a custom paint job, and strong running condition, while its aggressive exhaust note and unique appearance consistently draws attention wherever it goes. For enthusiasts looking for a one-of-a-kind Harley with unmistakable custom character, this Bobber stands out from the crowd. Number 10. 1983 Honda GL 1100 Goldwing Interstate, $600, Tip City, Ohio. The 1983 Honda GL 1100 Goldwing Interstate is a legendary touring motorcycle, renowned for its smooth, flat-four engine, long-distance comfort, and reputation for exceptional durability. Goldwings from this era continue to be appreciated by riders and restorers thanks to their robust engineering and strong parts availability. According to the seller, this motorcycle has been sitting for several years and will require a battery, brake service, carburetor cleaning, and general mechanical attention before returning to the road. It comes with a clean title and is being offered as a complete restoration project. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage touring bike with plenty of potential, this GL 1100 Interstate is well worth considering.